Hi, good morning. My name is Louis Bretton. I've been researching plastic surgeon for a long, long time. There's many surgeons in Turkey, and I found the best, literally the best in the world. Extremely patient, wonderful. Staff is great. Didem's been taking care of me for the last 6 months. Didem's been on me every second about anything I needed. Service has been amazing, and I'm very happy. This is day 8 from the surgery, and so far so really good. Very happy with the results so far. Of course, more improvements coming, but it's been great and amazing. Can't be more happier. I would recommend anybody to come here and get surgery, any kind. He did full face lift, the neck lift, and the eyebrow lift, and it's been amazing. It exceeded my expectations for now, and like I said, until I get better and better, and it's been amazing and wonderful. And my wife as well is going to be getting this surgery too in the next 6 months. So couldn't be more happier, very happy results. I recommend anybody to come here and get surgery by Dr. Ali.